Hey, I'm Chef Makayla, Makayla. Hello, I'm Chef Makayla. So, today I'm making this with me. We got flour, salt, and water. That's what we have today. First, we make the noodles. Mix the flour with salt and water. Mix them together and knead it into a ball. Then wrap it in a cling film and let it rest for 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, we make the sauce. Add in soy sauce, peanut butter, sesame paste, rice vinegar, sugar, and water. Next, we marinate the pork. For the peanut toppings, I mash the peanuts with a mortar. Keep aside for later. Time to shape the dough. Roll out the dough to a flat, long rectangle. Then we can run it through the pasta sheet roller to make it flat. Pat the dough surface with flour on both sides to avoid the noodles sticking to each other. Then roll it. Cut the rolled dough to thin strips or your desired width. My first big noodle, you can cook it now. Now cook the topping. Stir fry the garlic and shallots until slightly brown. And then add in pork and half the peanuts. Once it's almost cooked, stir in sauce. Cook the noodles and pour in the sauce topping on top. Ta-da! It's done! If you liked this, press the like button and subscribe so you don't miss my next yummy mess.